Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 13 percentage in that exercise 13a. So let's discuss homework answers first. Fifth question, express each of the following as a decimal fraction in that C, 69 percentage. So the answer is 0.69. Then D, 81 percentage, the answer is 0.81. Next, sixth question, express each of the following decimal fraction into percentage. So in that G, 4.20, in percentage it is 420 percentage. Okay, H 8.75, in percentage it is 875 percentage. Next topic, to find percentage of a given quantity. Exercise 13B, first question, find A, 35 percentage of 700. In order to find the percentage of a given quantity, first express the given percent as a fraction. So 35 percentage, you have to express this as a fraction. How? 35 percentage means it is 35 by 100. This is the first step. Express the given percent as a fraction. Okay. Next, you have to find the 35 percentage of 700. So, 35 by 100 multiplied by 700. Okay, 35 by 100 you can multiply by 700. You will get 35 percentage of 700. Okay, so 100 and 700. 7, it will go in, 100, both will go in 100, 700 division 100, it is 7, 100 division 100, 1. So 35 into 7, 245 you will get. Okay, so this is the answer. 35 percentage of 700 is 245. So in order to find the percentage of a given quantity, first express the given percent as a fraction. Then multiply this fraction by the given quantity. Okay. B, 19 percentage of 600. In order to find 19 percentage of 600, first this 19% you can express as fraction. Okay. So 19 percentage it is 19 by 100. Next, multiply this fraction by the given quantity, that is 600. Okay, so 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. Now 19 into 6, you will get 114. So 19 percentage of 600 is 114. See, 21 percentage of rupees 1800. So 21 percentage, first express it as fraction. You will get 21 by 100. Okay, 21 percentage it is 21 by 100. Now multiply this fraction by the given rupees. It is 1800. Okay, now 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here you can cancel. Now 21 into 18, it is 378. So the answer is rupees 378. 21 percentage of rupees 1800, it is rupees 378. D, 16 2 by 3 percentage of rupees 3000. So here this is given. Percentage is given in mixed form. So you have to convert this to improper fraction first. 16 2 by 3. On converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 3 into 16, 48. 48 plus 2, 50 by 3 percentage of rupees 3000 you need to find here. Okay. So first step, what is it? Given percentage, convert this to, express this as fraction. 50 by 3 percentage, it is 50 by 3 by 100. Okay. Now multiply this by the given quantity. It is 3000. Now here 50 by 3 by 100. You can divide. Division of fraction you know. Write the dividend dividend first, 50 by 3. Now this division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Then replace the divisor. Replace 100 by its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 100, it is 1 by 100. Now into 3000. Okay. Now 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, you can cancel. 30 and 3 will go in 3. 3 division 3, 1. 30 division 3, it is 10. Okay. So 50 into 1 into 10, it is 500. So rupees 500 is the answer. Okay. 16 2 by 3 percentage of rupees 3000, it is rupees 500. E, 24 percentage of 60 liters. So in order to find 24 percentage of 60 liters, first express the given percent as fraction. Okay, 24 percentage you have to express as fraction. What you will get? It is 24 by 100. Okay, now multiply this fraction by the given quantity. It is 60 liters. Okay, now 100 and 60 will go in 20. Okay, 60 division 20, it is 3. 100 division 20, it is 5. Okay, now 24 into 3 by 5 you have to find. So what you will get? 24 into 3, it is 72 by 5. Now 72 by 5 you can divide. 5 into 1, 5, 22. 5 into 4, 20. Remainder you will get 2. But continue doing division by putting decimal point. After that you can put 0. Okay. So 14. Here also decimal point. In the quotient place also decimal point you should put. Okay. Now 0. You can write down 20 division 5. It is 4. 5 into 4, 20. Remainder you got 0. Okay. So the answer is 14.4 liter. 24 percentage of 60 liters, it is 14.4 liter. Second question. Express A, 15 paise as percentage of rupees 1. So here you have to express this 15 paise as percentage of rupees 1. That means what percentage of rupees 1 is 15 paise? Rupees 1 inde എത്ര percentage ആണ് 15 paise? അതാണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. Okay. So here 15 paise rupees 1. Unit are different. So what to do? First, make the unit same. Both quantities should have the same unit. So here rupees 1 you can convert to paise. Okay. Rupees 1. How? 1 is how many paise? Rupees 1. It is, we know it is 100 paise. Rupees 1 is 100 paise. Okay. Now next step is express 15 paise as a percentage of 100 paise. Okay. In the question it is given express 15 paise as a percentage of rupees 1. But in place of rupees 1, we can substitute 100 paise. Okay. So expressing 15 paise as percentage of 100 paise. Okay. So in order to express 15 paise as a percentage of 100 paise, divide 15 paise by 100 paise. That is 15 by 100. Okay. Greater quantity should be in the denominator. Smaller quantity in the numerator. So 15 paise by 100 paise. That is 15 by 100. Now multiply this fraction by 100. Why we are doing multiplication by 100? Because we need to convert this to percentage. Converting 15 by 100 to percentage. How we can do that? Multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, that we know. So 100 and 100 you can cancel. So the answer is 15 percentage. So 15 paise, it is 15 paise as a percentage of 100 paise or rupees 1, it is 15 percentage. Okay. Next B, 20 as a percentage of 25. So how we can do this? First, divide the lesser quantity or smaller quantity by the greater quantity. Here no unit is given, so no need to change the unit and all. Okay, so 20 by 25. First step is divide the smaller quantity by the greater quantity. So 20 by 25. Now multiply this fraction by 100. 20 by 25 into 100. Okay, now 25 and 100 will go in 25. 25 division 25 it is 1. 100 division 25 it is 4. Okay, so 20 into 4 it is 80. Okay, so 20 as a percentage of 25 is 80. Okay, our answer will be in percentage. So 80 percentage is the answer. Okay. Next see 6 centimeter as a percentage of 1 meter. Here 6 centimeter, here 1 meter. So what to do? Make the units equal. Okay, meter we can convert to centimeter. 1 meter. What is 1 meter? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, now express 6 centimeter as a percentage of 100 centimeter. Now we can do this. Okay, how? Divide the lesser quantity by the greater quantity. That is 6 by 100. 6 by 100. Now multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, now 100 you can cancel. So the answer is 6 percentage. 6 centimeter as a percentage of 100 centimeter or 1 meter. It is 6 percentage. Okay. Next D, 5 centimeter as a percentage of 2 meter. So here 5 centimeter, 2 meter. First, make the unit same. 2 meter, it is 2 into 100. 200 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Meter you can convert to centimeter by multiplying by 100. Okay, so 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Now express 5 centimeter as a percentage of 200 centimeter. How you can do this? Divide the lesser quantity by the greater quantity. So 5 by 200. Now this fraction you can multiply by 100. Okay. Now 200. 100 will go in 100. 200 division 100 it is 2. 100 division 100 it is 1. So you will get 5 into 1 by 2. 5 into 1 5 by 2 percentage. 5 by 2. You can divide 5 by 2. 2 into 2 4 1. You can continue division by putting decimal point. Okay, so 5 0. Here 0 you can write down. 10 division 2 5. 5 into 2 10. Remainder 0. So you will get 2.5 percentage. Okay, 5 centimeter as a percentage of 200 centimeter or 2 meter, it is 2.5 percentage. 12 gram as a percentage of 500 gram. So here 12 gram, 500 gram. Both quantities have the same unit. Okay, so divide the lesser quantity by the greater quantity. It is 12 by 500. Now multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, 12 by 500 into 100. 2 zeros you can cancel. So 12 by 5. Okay, you can divide 12 by 5. 5 into 2 10. 2. Continue division by putting decimal point. Okay, after decimal point you can put 0. Then that 0 you can write down. In the quotient also decimal point will come. 20 division 5, it is 4. So 5 into 4, 20. 2.4 percentage. Okay, 12 gram as a percentage of 500 gram, it is 2.4 percentage. F, 10 liters as a percentage of 15 liters. So here 10 liters, 15 liter. Both have the same unit. So divide the smaller quantity by the greater quantity. 10 by 15. Now multiply this fraction by 100. Okay. Now 10, 15 will go in 5. Okay. 10 division 5 it is 2. 15 division 5 it is 3. So what you will get? 2 into 100. 200 by 3. Okay. Now divide this 200 by 3. You will get 3 into 6, 18. 20. Again 3 into 6, 18. Remainder it is 2. Okay, so continue doing division by putting decimal point. Okay, both in the dividend and the quotient also you can put decimal point. Now after decimal point 0 you can put. So that 0 you can write down. 20. Again 20. So 6. 3 into 6, 18. Remainder 2. So again putting 0. Remainder we didn't get a 0. Okay, so 20 division 3 again 6. So it will continue. Point after point 66666. It will continue like that. So we can stop after 2 digits. Okay, after decimal point 2 digits are enough. So the answer is 66.66 percentage. Okay. Next G, 350 meter as a percentage of 3.5 kilometer. 350 meter here and 3.5 kilometer here. Okay, units are different. So you have to make the units same. 3.5 kilometer, you can convert this to meter. Okay, 1 kilometer, it is 1000 meter. 1 kilometer, it is 1000 meter. So 3.5 kilometer, it will be 3.5 into 1000. Okay, so multiplication of decimal fraction by 1000. So this decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay, multiplication it is. So move the decimal point to the right. Moving this decimal point 3 places to the right. You have to put 2 zeros at the end. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. After this point will come. So the answer is 3500 meter. Okay, 3.5 kilometer, it is 3500 meter. Now express 350 meter as a percentage of 3500 meter. Okay, in place of 3.5 kilometer, you can write 3500 meter. Okay, so what to do? Divide the smaller quantity by the greater quantity. 350 divided by 3500. Now divide this fraction. Multiply this fraction by 100. Okay, so here 2 zeros you can cancel. Now 350 and 35 will go in 35. 350 division 35, it is 10. 35 division 35, 1. So the answer is 10 into 1. 10 percentage. Okay, 350 meter as a percentage of 3.5 kilometer, it is 10 percentage. Exercise 13B, first question, FGHI. Second question, HIJ, do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.